What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jimmy, and today we're diving into the world of leftovers. We're turning those leftover roast potatoes into taste bud exploding masterpieces. I've got 4 insane recipes that are so good you'll be praying for leftovers. So smash that like button and subscribe if you're new to the crew, and let's get cooking. First up, we're hitting you with a bacon and potato soup that'll blow your mind. We start this flavor bomb by frying up some bacon until it's crispy. That smell alone should be illegal. Now toss in those diced up leftover roast potatoes, some chopped onions to make you cry tears of joy, and a little garlic because we like it spicy. Next, we're drowning those bad boys in chicken broth and cranking up the heat until it boils. Let that simmer for 20 minutes while you practice your victory dance. Once it's nice and tender, grab your trusty blender and blitz it until it's smoother than a dolphin's belly. Ladle that creamy goodness into a bowl, sprinkle on some chives for that fancy touch, and boom! You got yourself a soup so good, it'll make you want to lick the bowl clean. Don't worry, we won't judge. Next up, we're traveling to Spain with these Spanish tortilla potato cakes. Don't worry, no plane ticket required. Crack some eggs into a bowl like you're Rocky Balboa training for a championship fight. Sprinkle in some salt and pepper because every good fighter needs their salt, right? Now throw in those diced leftover roast potatoes and some chopped onions for good measure. Time to heat up a pan with some olive oil and let it get hotter than the surface of the sun. Okay, maybe not that hot. Pour in that egg mixture and let it cook until it's set and golden brown. Now here comes the fun part. Flip that bad boy like you're flipping a giant pancake at a county fair. Cook the other side until it's golden brown and crispy, then slide it onto a plate. Bam! You just made a Spanish tortilla potato cake that's ready to party in your mouth. Chapter 3. Roasted potato salad, the side dish that stole the show. Now, who's ready for a salad that's actually exciting? This roasted potato salad is so good it'll make you want to do a victory dance. Start by chopping those leftover roast potatoes into bite-sized pieces because nobody wants a potato bigger than their head. Toss them into a bowl with some chopped celery for that satisfying crunch, diced red onions for a little zing, and fresh parsley because we fancy. In another bowl, we're gonna mix up the magic potion mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Pour that creamy goodness over the potato mixture and toss it like you're tossing a salad in zero gravity. Pop it in the fridge to chill out for a bit, and you've got yourself a roasted potato salad that'll have everyone asking for seconds and thirds and maybe even fourths. Chapter 4. Vegetable frittata, the breakfast or lunch or dinner of champions. Last but not least, we're whipping up a vegetable frittata that's so easy, even I could make it. And that's saying something. Start by whisking together some eggs, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Now it's time to add in the stars of the show. Those diced leftover roast potatoes, some colorful bell peppers, a handful of spinach for that healthy touch, and a generous sprinkle of cheese because cheese makes everything better. Pour that glorious mixture into a greased baking dish and slide it into the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we wait for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it's set and golden brown on top. Once it's ready, pull it out of the oven and let it cool down for a few minutes. Slice it up, serve it warm, and get ready to experience flavor nirvana. Leftovers. Never heard of them. And there you have it, folks. 4 epic leftover roast potato recipes that are so good you'll be intentionally making extra just to have leftovers. Who knew those humble spuds could be so versatile? Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes and cooking tips, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay hungry, my friends. Peace out!